Theon coming down in the red and white colours. Jamie Davis is taking the drive. Theon is on the gate and drawn in 3. Finishing 4th at Amman Valley on Monday. Theon. This one to be followed down next by number 11, which is Firestar. Firestar the drive of Dylan Lloyd Jones in dark green and red colours with a white cap. And Firestar is on the gate and drawn in 1. Next one to come down is going to be number 15, Gwittle Holdaway, the drive of Alice Davis. Look out for red, grey and black colours. The horse in the red nose is the winner at Amman Valley on Monday. Well supported on that occasion as well, with a Holdaway off 20 yards by himself. Off the drive of Roy Wilson in red with white diamonds. Fanon, who was 3rd at Amman Valley on Monday, is going up the track there with Roy Wilson on a 30-yard trail and drawn in 1. Colin Bevan in black, red and white colours. Yellow wheel discs on the sulky for Mahogany Gem. Mahogany Gem and Colin Bevan are off a 10-yard trail by themselves. Moving forward and for the first race of the afternoon at 2 o'clock, they're off and racing. And going into a break, just a second there with Simlock in between runners, but now he's in the straight back into 3rd. Football Field going to take the field along up towards the outside of Firestar. Then in 3rd is Simlock is put up towards the outside Mahogany Gem, racing up along the inner, I should say, in 4th, and they're being followed in 5th by Gwittle Holdaway, a few lengths away to Fanon and Mahogany Magic, the 2 30-yard trailers. Down the back straight they go. Firestar takes it up by about a length and a half over in 2nd place is Football Field. Going into a break on the inside is Mahogany Gem. Simlock is now back into 3rd place, and then Gwittle Holdaway, the early week winner along the inside. They're being followed a few lengths away by the red and white colours of Fanon, and last of all is Mahogany Magic as they now make the left-handed turn back towards home. Dylan Lloyd Jones and Firestar bringing them back towards us then by 2 or 3 lengths over Football Field, content with 2nd place at the moment in the hands of Jamie Davis. A further 2 lengths away to in 3rd, the Rock in, and they're being followed in 4th by Gwittle Holdaway as they now start off on the home straight for the first time. Further back in the field to Mahogany Magic, Fanon, they're all in the horse home at number 34. First number 37, Meadowlands Nadia, owned by Edwin Evans, trained and driven by Steve Davis, trained by Hugh Garland and driven by Hugh Thomas. Steve Boston, trained and driven by Jason Podmore, owned by Edwin Evans, who is a committee member here at the track, has been helping to put up the track all the way throughout the course of the week, and a deserved winner then for Edwin, so many congratulations to him, and also Mike Evans. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners enclosure, please put your hands together, show a bit of appreciation for Meadowlands Nadia. Gwittle Holdaway is now putting with a big running, opening with Theon, and Theon has taken it up, but to the outside, Gwittle Holdaway is a big danger. Firestar has now dropped the third, they've left the others behind, and as they head back towards home, a furlong and a bit left to go, it is Theon by 3 parts of a length. To the outside in 2nd is Gwittle Holdaway, who's getting closer with every stride. They're inside the final furlong now, and at the inside it is Theon, towards the outside is Gwittle Holdaway, and they're going to have a right on. Top 2 here down the straight. On the right is Theon, just about in its stage in front. Towards the outside is Gwittle Holdaway as they race inside the final 50 yards. Theon to the inside of Gwittle Holdaway. Ali Davis, and he's very second. Just gets up. And Gwittle Holdaway nails Theon. They run from Mahogany Magic to the inside of Fanon. And in behind them is Mahogany Gem Firestar, a long last with Simlock.